All right, where are we? Give me a moment here. It's working. All right, here we go. All right, it is working. Cool. All right. Okay. Hey there, this is Thomas Grant from Australia, and in today's fairly long video on Facebook Live, I'm going to try and show you how to use this free autoresponder that I use called Your Mailing List Provider. So make sure you're comfortable. You've got yourself a good cup of coffee or some water, because this will take a little time to go through. And I'm doing this using several pieces of software. I'm doing a live YouTube live video cast at the same time, as you can see on my screen here. Let's go to share screens. All right, there's my screen here. Okay, here we go. Your mailing list provider. All right, there's the screen. All right. So I'll be going through this, how to set it up, how to sign up for the whole thing, getting from start to finish, showing you some examples of the work that I've done, and it's going to be fairly easy to do and easy to follow along. At least I'll try and make it easy for you to follow along in this video tutorial. All right, hope that's all working fine. So I think that's working fine. Yep. Let's go over here. All right. So you'll see the link to the autoresponder right. So you can click on that and create a free account. So I'm going to show you how to create the free account using the free autoresponder. So here I'm just going to click on free account. I'm going to use this one. The audio. Sorry. Oh, g'day, Scott. Great to see you. All right, so hopefully you can see my screen. Now, this is my, I've got quite a few Gmail accounts. This is my mum bakes cakes, Gmail. Right. Set this up for some affiliate marketing and I was trying out. So, okay, so I'm going to sign up for I'm going to click on create a free account. It's free. Free autoresponder, right? Click on free account. So I'm going to click on free account. Fairly easy to do, right? Right, so here's my email address. I'm going to paste it in, which is, grab it again. Where are we? Copy. Close. Paste. There we go. Sign up. Okay, your account has been created. You receive welcome email, username, password to get started, right? Easy. So far, this is so easy to do. If you haven't done or created an autoresponder or don't know what an autoresponder is, this Your Mailing List Provider is a great place to start, all right? Okay, so now I go to my account here. You can see here's the email to register, to confirm that welcome to Your Mailing List Provider, right? Here's the link. You can see my username and password. So I'm going to go log in, right? log into the your mailing list provider. Right. Now I'm going to go. I've created a few your previous things before. Click on copy. Copy the username. Paste it in. Right. Oops. Copy the password. Copy. Log in. Paste it in. Right. Log in. Right. Really easy to do. I won't save it just yet. Right, now here is where some annotations here and draw a box. Okay, so here is where you put in your username, right? And then your new password, right there. Okay, that's what you do in there. So just clear all that. Now, so here I'm going to put in as my username my mum, right? My password for it. Make sure the same. There you go, and save. Right, so easy peasy so far, all right? That's how you sign up for your mailing list provider, right? Okay, all right. Now, when you've signed up for this free autoresponder, there's a few things. I mean, it's fairly user-friendly. Some things you may find a little bit confusing at times, but it's not too bad. It's for free. What do you expect? Anyway, it works. I can tell you that it works. All right. So when you've created your free autoresponder with your mailing list provider, right, first thing you want to do is create a group. Right? So the first thing here, you've got draw. Okay, your contacts, groups, right, and manage groups over here, right? Okay, so that's the thing you want to go do. Okay, arrow there. Start here. Manage groups. The first thing you want to do. Okay, the first thing is to create a group to put them into. Now you can use default group, which is over here, but I like to put things into groups, right? So clear all. Right, so click on manage groups, right? First thing you want to do, click on manage groups. Right, and here you got add group. Easy, right? And I'm going to call this one Dascoin group. And click on save. Okay. Now you can see here the two groups, the default group and the Dascoin group. Right? So you can delete, you can add as many groups as you want, and so forth. Right? That's the first group we've done. Okay, great. Now, every time I've done that, you just click on dashboard to go back to where you want to start it to. Okay. Right, so we're back on dashboard. You can see here we've got the Dascoin group here. Right, this is the project I'm going to be working for. You can use it for any online opportunity that you're in. I'm using it for my opportunity, which is Dascoin. Okay. Now, next thing I'm going to do here is your forms. Right, your forms. Add form. Okay, it's a simple process. Step one is the group. Step two is the form. So I click on add form. Mm. I'll go through that in a minute, Scott. Okay, I'll go through that in a minute, Scott. Anyway, here I got the form label, right? You got the form type. Okay. I usually leave it as default. Here I put in the form itself, so I know it's going to. I'm going to call this one FO just clean form, right? Now, that's the form label. It's just for your references. Okay. Now, the most important part is this part here in the fields. Okay. There we go. Fields. Right. This area here, right, and this one here. We've got add. Okay. Default one is email. Always, it's always going to have a default as email, right? Okay. So clear all. Right. So I'm going to click on add. Right, so here it was add, you got a pull down menu, it's a new field, right? New field. You're going to add in a new field in the fields. So click on add, and then we add in what it is you want to call this new field, right? You can use Skype, whatever. I'm going to put in NAME, name. Oops, NAME, name, right? Save. So the people can add in their name, right? There you go. You can have required. See? Text entry, drop down, radio buttons, checkboxes, text area, all these other things. We just have a text area. Click on save. Required information. Okay, always. Okay. You can always edit it and have those features turned on or off, or however you want it to show up. Okay, you can play around with it later on as you build it. Okay, but that's so far all I've added is a name and email address. Easy, right? Easy to do. Okay, then you got hidden fields. You don't have to worry about that one. Then you got to here, this one here, the section on groups. Okay, so go to drawer. Add to a group, right? Which group you want to add them to, right? You can get them to choose from a group, right? Default group, or you can go configure which group, which people you want to be added to. This is the one that I use, right? This one. Okay, fairly easy to do, right? Clear all, right? So here it says configure which groups do people want to go to. So select group. This is the group I want people to go to. So select it and then click on add. Make sure you click on add, right? And there it is. There's the group that you want them to go to. Okay. And then here, save changes and view website integration. Here is the default what do you call it, form that people will enter. So you get name and then email address. Right? You can change and edit this layout any way you want to. Right? You can add colors and so forth. In fact, let's go do that. Edit layout. Here, right? Make this bold, like so. Changes to color. Let's go to, so we can change the color for this. There we go. Let's go make it blue. Make that bold. Like so. So you can change the color, right? And save. See, it's changed, right? Save changes. Make sure you save changes. Okay. To the form and the stuff you've done. Right now, you've got the form that you can add to any website, any place you want to. You can see this JavaScript here. This is the JavaScript right here. This is the HTML script. You can also see the sign up form here that's hosted on their website, right? So this is the HTML site. No, don't sign in yet because we haven't created the AutoResponder. That's the next step. Okay, so if step one, we'll go back to the dashboard. Right. Right, step one was to create and manage a group. So we've created a group. Step two was to create a form, right, your form, so we can see the form there. Step three is add AutoResponder, right? This is where you're going to add in some messages to send to your group, okay? To the people who sign up, if that makes sense, right? So let's go do that, add an AutoResponder. Right, edit AutoResponder, so we're going to call this one does auto, right? Make sure here, where are we? Draw. Website forms, how it is integrated. See, select which site the form it goes to. So make sure you click on the form that you want it to use. At this moment, I'm going to click on Dustcoin form. Okay. So that's the one I want it to be used with. Now you can have different forms for different things. It's not that difficult to do. And you can see here the follow-up emails. Right. So click and create at least 3 emails. Okay, very simple to do. Right, so here's your first one. Okay, you can see here, add new form immediately on sign up. This is what they're going to get when they sign up. This is the first email they get. And you can see the name. And I'm going to change this. So I'm going to show you how to change this. Let's click on add new form. So it comes up with your name that you want to use, right? On the edit, and then pick it. Pick the green box. Okay. Text message from recipients. Click on edit. And type in my. Okay. Done and done. Okay, you don't need to do anything else there. You can add Google Analytics and so forth. Let's go back to dashboard. We go to my AutoResponder. Oops, sorry. I don't need this one. I was just done. Okay, yep. Click on edit. Right. Here, click on edit again. So editing the email that we haven't finished yet. All right, this is the first email we're going to send out. So people, when they sign up, this is the first email they're going to get. And you can see here that I've got my mum in there, right? Subject. So say, hi there. How are you? How are you? Right. Very simple. Here. Okay, copy this in here. Oops, hi there. I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put in some code here. So NAME. Okay, so it says hi there name. So when you when you get the email, they have your name on the email, right? So I can click copy it and paste enter here. This is email number 10. Right, so I know what it is. Okay, so very simple. You can add in your picture, you can add in a profile, you can add in information about yourself. However you want to add in the first email for them to get, very important, okay, this one here, right? Click on save. So this is the first email they're going to get. Right, so this is the first email. So I'm going to click on add a follow-up email. So we're going to go do three of these. Very simple, three of them. G'day, Jose, how you doing? All right, so here you click on after 1 day, right? Okay, so this is hi there, name again. This is day 2. This is day 1, right? This is day 2. Now you can put any subject you want to here, right? Okay. Into here. So this is, I'm just building it up. Now, again, how you write your emails is totally up to you. You can do HTML, you can do alternative text version, but I'm just going through it fairly simply just so I can show you the process of how it all works, right? Click on save. Okay, so we've got 2 after day 1, after 1 day. I've added that one, it's after day 2. If you make a mistake, you just go edit it, right? After day 1. Day 1, there we go. After 1 day. 1 day later. Day later. This is 1 day later. Okay. Right, so we've got 2 emails now. So we're going to do do 1 more, okay? And this is on day 3, right? So you select, it says it goes day 3 after 3 days. No, day 2. 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is after 2 days, right? Okay, so okay, day 2. Day 2, right? Well, after 2 days. This is after 2 days. Right, just sort of like a note for myself. Again, you can make these with pictures. You can add pictures in here. Let's go add a picture in here. I'll show you how easy that is to do. So insert image. You can do it from a URL. You can import your own images. All sorts of ways you can do it. So here I'm going to enter or you can browse select it, right? So let's go find a image. Go to google.com. And we'll find an image here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry, that's email address. Images. Right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to type in here Australian icon. Vegemite. Here's one. Right. Right click on it. Okay, right click on the image and copy image location. This is via Firefox. Okay, go back to your mailing list provider, paste it in. So paste it in, right? So I'm not sure if that came in. Let's go back to that one. View image. There you go. That's better. All right. Then paste it in. Copy and paste. That's all you need to do. And then here you can put a link for it to go to. So I can put it into my Facebook page. Just go to me. Where are we? There we go. I'll just copy that. Right. Paste it in. Right. Then click on insert. And there it is. Right. That's how you add an image to your AutoResponder. Right. Click on save. Very simple. All right. So we've done 3 emails. Okay, so now we're going to go back to dashboard. Right, we haven't finished yet. Okay. Now we go to the forms. Okay, we go to the form. Where are we? Let's go to draw. You can see here you've got the forms again, and you've got these 3 icons here. Right, easy access to go straight to them using your mailing list provider. Well, you got 3. You got the edit form settings. So this is the next thing I'm going to go to. The last thing I'm going to go to is through the edit form settings. So I'm going to show you what you can do with the edit form settings. Okay. Right. So at the moment it's in a single or double opt-in. I have mine on double opt-in. That's what I prefer. Here you've got a message to show in the browser, or you can have them to redirect to a web page. So once they've signed in, once they've added in their name and their email address, it'll redirect them to the page you want them to go to. Right? Now, I just happen to have that on my list here. Where are we? Where are we? Okay, I think that was the one. So yeah. Okay, copy. Right, so I want them to go to this page. Then you can take them to any page that you want them to go to. Right here, redirect to a web page. Right. Okay. And then here it says welcome message. You can put in a welcome email message, or you can have them go to another page for the redirect. Once they've signed up, once they've clicked on the link, it'll take them somewhere, right? So I'm going to go to my notepad here, and I think this one here, that's right. Copy and paste. Oh, see, Control E, there you go, right? You can send them a welcome email as well. You can modify and edit this one if you want to send them a welcome email. That's the AutoResponder they're going to, and save changes, and you're done, right? Okay. Hope that made sense. Okay, now, just to prove to you that this works, right, let's go to add form to your website, right? Okay, just to show you that that's going to work. Right, so here's the code. Here's the other code. You can add this to your blog page. You can add this to wherever you want to, on Wix pages, whatever. And you can use this one, which is the sign up form. Right? And you can see the form, how we saved it previously, right? Right here. It's in the blue. The name is in blue, an email address, and so forth, right? So we're going to add in a name. I'm going to type in, what's a good name to type in? Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Magic. Okay. I'm going to put in the address. Let's go to Grant down under. Okay. Mind that one? No, I want to go to the other one. Okay. Fox. Fox on Beach. Okay. There we go. Got some of that one. Okay. Submit. So submit. right? I'll click on submit, right? And it's going to take me to the pages I put in. I think it's going to work. Yes, it does. Okay. Here's the first page it takes me to, right? Once I've signed up, it takes me to this page. Get it? And just to prove that, we go back to the form settings. Right, go, click on go. Right, okay, so here, right, you've got a choice. You can either send them a message or you can get them to go to a redirect web. You can redirect them to a web page. And this is the page that I've chosen to go to. It's the same one as you can see here, right? So it plays this one, this video. Now, let me go to mine. Let's go to, here we are. Right, this is the capture page that I created, right? If you want a lesson on how to create this kind of capture page, I can show you doing something like that as well, right? Okay, so this is the page. Here you enter in.
Welcome to this blockchain presentation.
Here you enter in your name, your email address, and click on Get More
Info. A world on the brink of the next tech revolution. Technology has transformed.
Yeah, and you'll get a free ebook. Okay, you get a free ebook when you enter your email. You always try and give people something for entering in their name and email address, right? So if you haven't put your name and email address into the form you see here, and it's the list is it's in the list. I put it in the comments as well. Okay, so here's the comments. I'll put it over here. So there's the blockchain, and you should, if you follow it through and go through the process, you'll see exactly how I set up this free AutoResponder. Again, it's free. Okay. All right. So fairly simple to do. Creating these kind of landing pages, that's a bit more complicated, but you can do something simple. We can go to, let's go to Blogger. Okay, Blogger. So now I'm going to go to Blogger and put in the code for the sign up form, right? So new post. Okay, new post. While I'm doing that, I go to my form, where are we? Dashboard. And I want to grab the form for my, okay, add form to your site. Very easy to use, this AutoResponder, okay? Fairly easy to use. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's fairly easy to use, I should say. Okay, let's go to new blog. New blog. Right, so this is a new blog. I'm going to show you how to do this. This is my form test. That's right. Testing AutoResponder blog. Okay, you can choose one of these. Just click create blog. I'll put that in the comment section here. One. Put that over to here. There you go. There's a blog I just created, right? Very quickly to do. Click on new post, right? Now, you've got two different types here. You've got the JavaScript code or you got the HTML code. I prefer the HTML code because then I can edit it easily with my HTML editor, right? So yeah, when you on Blogger, you just grab this code, select all, like this, select all, copy it, like so. You're in Compose, you click on HTML, right over here, you go Compose HTML, just click on HTML, you paste in the code, you see the code here, okay, there's the code, click back on Compose, and you should see the form here. Well, you should see, let's go type in form. That's the word. Yep. Now you might want to remove the body part. Okay, oops, maybe. That works. There it is, see? So what I did was remove the body code from that. You can use the JavaScript, so let's go copy the JavaScript here as well. Okay, you can paste that in as well. There's a JavaScript Compose. And the JavaScript doesn't quite work as well as the other one. Okay, I see, copy it, paste it in again, A, B, right, paste it in, remove the body section from here, right, done. Come back to Compose, see there it is, the form here, click on Publish, right, and click on Cancel. Yep. Come on. Just a moment. It's coming through. All right, there it is. All right. So here's the form. Okay, you right click on the view, where it says view, copy the link, and I paste it into here. You can see it. There's a form, right? Now I go click on view to view it. Right, so there's the form on a blog. Okay, easy to do. Right, and you can put a background picture on these type of things. How you create it is up to you, right? Okay, that's the simplest way to do it. All right, now so that's going from start to finish, right? Okay, we sign up for a new Your Mailing List provider, which is a free AutoResponder, right? We created a group. The first thing we did was create a group. That was step one. Step two was to create a form, right? Step two. Step three was to create an AutoResponder series. I recommend having at least 3 emails or 12 emails on your AutoResponder, right? The first email you will send to your contacts would have something like your name, and I'll go into one I've already done. Where is it? Let's go to, all right, let's go to, where are we? Mine, okay. I'll show you the ones I've done. Right down on the, okay. Right, so I'll show you my form. Where are we? Nope, autoresponders. Okay, here we go. Right, so here you can see the form that I put in. Okay, this is a bit more information. Here I've got greetings, name, information, blah, blah, blah. Here's my picture. Here's my Skype contact. Here's the information they get, which is a link to download the PDF, which is what they're signing up for. And, you know, I get them to know a little bit about me. Okay. All right. And if they click on the picture, it takes them straight to my Facebook page as well. All right. So that's the first email they get. And if you sign up with the do a video on how to match your capture page background with the video thumbnail. All right. I'll probably do that one next time, Scott. All right. Anyway, sorry. After day 1, after day 2. So, yeah. Here, you can see here the type of thing here. I've got name, so that their name comes up. Now, if I go to my emails, let's go take a look here. From in here. Oxon Beach. Okay, so here's the first email. Confirm your subscription to your email to our email address. Right, you can change this too. I've changed mine. Now, once they click on it, okay, here's the link. So you click on it. Now, if you don't see this email, it may come into your spam folder, right? Which you can just tell your people if you know as a message saying if you see something from me, it might come into your spam folder, right? But once you click on it, it takes them to, guess what? It takes them to this page. It's all set up via the your mailing list provider. Fairly easy to use. All right. Okay. All right. Where was I? Let me just refresh this. Okay. Now, that's the lesson on how to use your mailing list provider. I hope you found that, I'm not sure how long that went for. I was saying about an hour. Anyway, so if you have any questions, contact me and I'll walk you through it. Do even a one-on-one with you if you wish, and show you how to add in more information into using this mailing list provider. You can get it for free. You can upgrade or downgrade with it. It's fairly inexpensive to use if you want to upgrade or downgrade with it. Let's go to upgrade here. 6 months, $5 a month. I mean, come on. where are you going to get that? I mean, for free. For free, you know, it's you can use it for 500 emails a month. I mean, it's pretty good compared to others out there. If you want to use it, pay for that kind of thing. But for free to learn how to use an autoresponder, how to start using, creating emails, testing out your ideas. This is freaking awesome. Okay, this is the only one I've found that's got no advertising. It works. Where do I go to? It works. If I can log into mine. Okay, let's go log out of this one. And sign out here.